All right, everybody, scrapping with Grandpa. Drew's Roofing and Home Repair, and this is our next job. Tearing out the floors in this place. All of them. Tearing out all the floors completely. Tearing out the bathroom. So if this is something you want to see us doing, working on this mobile home, this is where we're going to be working for the next week. At least. I'm not going to go back that way, but we're doing the whole thing, one end to the other. Drew's Roofing and Home Repair, or Drew's Roofing and Mobile Home Repair. We are going to be insulating the floors, replacing all the plywood with Vantex. We do have some saggage on the outside walls. I can see it, Paul.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. You gotta deck them up.
Yeah, so we got to do a little bit of work in here before we get going, but we got that stove for scrap metal, and we're just getting some materials in here so that we can get ready to start on this thing. Ain't a lot of lights in here, are there?
No, there ain't no lights in here. I don't like.
Switches. There they are. Mobile home floors, everybody. Be watching. Drew's Roofing and Home Repair, mobile home floors. This is something you want to learn how to do, or see how we do it.
The right way?
Yes, we're going to do it the right way. The way it should be done if you have yours done. So if you do yours, you'll be able to copy what we do and have the same results. I've seen people do floors a lot of strange ways, and here's an example. See that piece of flooring right there? Same stuff we're using, Aventech, but if you notice, they ran it lengthways. That is not the proper way to run your OSB or your plywood or anything 4x8. You always want to cross the joist. So if your floor joist goes back and forth this way, you always run your sheeting that way, not that way. And they thought that was right because mobile home floors, when they make their material, this crap that they make, it's 13 feet long, goes all the way across by 4 feet. That's the only place I've ever seen that you can buy or have OSB or any type of flooring that's longer than 8 feet is in mobile homes. And I think that's the only reason or time they make them. And that's so that they can go across like that, which is the worst way to lay your OSB or plywood. So we're going to be turning ours the other way, the proper way, framing, blocking, lots of work to do here. All right, everybody, it's coming, and it's coming quick. We got our Vantex, minus about 5, maybe 10 sheets. We've got our insulation, minus maybe a couple rolls. We've got our 2x4s, minus maybe a few pieces, but we've got 90% of it. We're gonna come in here. That is beautiful. I was thinking 13.
Yeah.
Normally they are.
Yeah. No doubt.
That is great right
well,
there.
Well, we're missing the outside walls.
Huh?
We're missing the outside walls.
Yeah.
We're missing 8 inches.
11 feet 12.
Yeah. That'd be 12 foot even.
All right, everybody. Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. If you want to learn how to do mobile home floors the proper way, I got left-handed Paul here with me.
Buy you a bunch of plywood.
Scrapping with Grandpa. Use this. Use this. Spend the extra money and buy the Aventech or anything similar to this. This is 3/4 inch floor. You leave a little 1/8 inch space here at the ends. You don't want to put them tight, and it tells you that. Self-spacing, toggle and groove. Do not close gap. Okay, do not close gap. So they want you to have a little gap in it when you put the boards together, in which, to be honest with you, when you're trying to put these things together, it just about leaves you a gap without you trying to do it. It just happens. So the best thing you can do is start on one side and pop a chalk line all the way down, because the very most important thing is getting your first run straight. If you don't get your first run straight, the rest of it's not going to be straight. So we're tearing all this out, and I just found out that it's only 11 and not 13 feet, which is a good thing. I've got some sagging going down on this outside wall, because wait till you see these floors. These floors under me are 2 by 4, not even 2 by 6, and they got about a 3-foot overhang on this outside edge. From about where my foot is to out there, there's nothing. So you got the frame, and then these stupid little outlookers, which really don't do much. So we're going to do a little bit of jacking up on these outside walls, strengthen them up before we put our plywood down, and we're going to go to town. So I'm guessing 60 hours in this place with 2 men, and we're going to do the whole thing on video, all 60 hours of it. So if that's something you're interested in, be watching. You're going to have plenty to see. All right, guys, starting tomorrow, I'm going to be starting putting out videos of this floor. So if you're interested, hit that bell notification so you're notified every time I put out a video. I'm going to do at least one per day on this job.